What were they saying to you?
That's what we were. That's what we were told. So
She's coming red hot. She's putting the gloves on. She's ready to
is it only you two?
What is she trying to do?
Okay.
With the gloves.
So
What do you need the
guys,
gloves for?
So we were told you guys had pepper spray on you and were threatening them.
That's a lie.
Okay, we have our
Yeah.
supervisor
Well, you two
coming
have.
right now.
All right.
Okay.
That's what I need because I don't need that.
Okay. So you guys don't have any pepper spray on you?
No.
Okay, and you guys weren't threatening anyone with
Nobody's
pepper
threatening.
spray.
Yeah.
Did they tell you they were making threats to us?
No, we were.
No, of course not, right? Of course not. I'm sorry?
A crazy lady that she didn't like that I was filming.
You know there's cameras inside too. Okay, so we're gonna review those as well. So if you guys were in there branding sheet pepper spray and threatening people, that's gonna show on the camera as well.
And then?
So let's not play games.
And then?
So that's why I asked
you. You sound like you sound.
Questions. I asked you a question. Were you guys in there threatening people?
You sound like you're on their side already.
Yes or no?
You're buying it.
Yes or no?
There's no need to answer any questions. There's no need to answer your questions. There's no need.
Yes, there is, because right now
No, there's no need.
Detained.
No, there's no
right
need.
Now you are
Nobody's going to incriminate under the Fifth Amendment.
Okay, that's fine.
Nobody's going to do that.
Okay, that's fine.
You shouldn't do it yourself.
We're conducting an investigation.
Well, then you're asking.
We haven't been in there the last 15
But to
minutes.
me,
that's why we're asking questions.
To me,
that is part of our job.
Sounds to me.
Before you talk, understand that you are being detained right now because
I'm not being detained. I'm not being detained. I can leave right now.
You guys were being.
I can leave right now if you want.
Right now, actually, no, you can't.
Don't touch.
So wait till my supervisor gets here. But at the end of the day,
you can't detain me. Where's the crime?
You guys were brandishing and threatening people with pepper spray.
Were you here?
That's what I was told.
Have you verified?
And that's why I'm asking you a question.
So have you verified?
You're not answering any
So you have no grounds,
okay.
right? You have no grounds for this.
Yeah, I do.
What are the grounds? Where's your proof? Where's your proof?
Because right now, that's what we were.
So it's a hearsay right now.
Okay, you want to go in circles? We could do this all
No, this is not circle. This is what I'm telling you.
We can do this all
How many years in the force?
18.
You sound like a.
You can insult me all you want.
I'm not trying to.
I'm not.
No. What you're telling me doesn't sound to me either.
And insult me all you want.
What you're telling me has no impression in me.
I know what you guys are trying to do. You got.
I don't know. I don't care that if you know. If you know, I don't care.
That's not gonna happen.
That's your personal interpretation.
Okay.
That's your personal interpretation.
Right now, we're gonna go check those.
So you've been 18 years here, and you still don't have any higher ground than this?
That's fine.
Just like a regular cop? Wow. What?
You think that's
That's a waste of time. Yeah. What have you been doing 18 years? Everybody, come. This woman is trying to detain me.
I'm not trying to. I am detaining you.
For what?
Okay.
What's the ground?
Dude, do you not understand English?
Dude,
I just explained.
I'm not a dude.
Okay, well then
You serve the people. You serve the people.
I'm not gonna.
Aren't you a public servant?
Over and over with.
Aren't you a public servant?
You. No, I don't.
Then why are you here talking to me? I can go back inside if I want to.
Not right now. You can't.
Yes, I can.
You're being detained.
Yes, I can. Why would I be detained?
I already told you. My supervisor.
Where's the supervisor? Let's put this woman to more shame. You're a classic failure as a cop. She's detaining me for no reason. Wow. This is not embarrassing to you. You're embarrassing yourself.
You're actually embarrassing yourself.
No.
But that's okay.
I'm not the one applying authority.
They're right here.
No.
Right here.
Hey, don't touch. Don't touch.
Right here.
Don't touch. Remove your hands.
Right
Remove your hands. Remove your hands.
Both of you won't be in there on camera threatening people?
There's no incriminating. Don't answer questions.
Yeah.
Do not answer questions to nobody. For nobody. Supervisor or no?
Supervisor.
Supervisor?
Yes.
And where's the person that?
She's crazy.
Why is
it crazy.
People with gloves already. Gloves on. Why is that? Why do you put gloves on?
Yeah, but that's a lie. Go see the video like
You know?
I like being germ-free.
Oh, okay.
I'll let you go inside.
She's so ready to detain people right now. She says I'm detained.
You don't have any weapons on you, right?
She says I'm detained.
You guys are. Both of you guys are.
Why?
They're investigating.
Under what?
Crime.
Under what crime? Under what crime? Have we verified the speculations that people have?
That's what she's doing.
So,
Take some time. So she's gonna verify it right now. I think she was talking to you, and then she was distracted by talking to you. So now she's gonna go inside.
I can go inside if I want to.
No, not right now.
Why not?
Because you're being detained.
Under what? Under what grounds?
She's investigating a crime.
Investigating a crime. Wow.
You don't have any.
Where's the victim? Where's the victim?
Can you just pull your shirt?
Where's the
Can you
victim?
turn around?
No searches. I don't consent to searches.
I know. I just want to make sure.
I don't consent to searches at all.
Turn around for me.
I don't know. I do. No, I will not. No, I will not. I don't consent to searches.
Yeah, we're gonna say make sure.
I do not consent to searches. I do not consent to searches.
I don't need your consent right now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So just
You have no reasonable articulation probable cause.
Light pat down. Just make sure there's nothing in his waistband. Nothing there? No, sir.
This is illegal right here.
Very good.
This is illegal.
And make sure he has.
I'm going to leave right now. Why? Why not? Where's the police tape?
We need police tape.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Yeah,
Copy that.
Yes, you do.
yeah.
All right. Where's the person that says
We're
the?
verifying that right now.
But where's
And
the?
as soon as we're done verifying,
Where's the party?
As soon as we're done verifying that, we'll let you know. Okay. What you're gonna do though? Can you have a seat right here? Sit on the
Sit?
ground for me. Yeah, just sit down.
Oh, my back. I have a bad back.
Okay.
I could
You
stand.
take it off,
I
put it on the ground.
What?
Your backpack, so you can have a seat. Yes.
No, my backpack hurts.
Your
So
back hurts or your back?
my back. I have a bad back.
Okay.
Maybe I didn't say it right. So yeah, but you can sit down if you want. You can sit down. Have a seat, all of you, or maybe because you're sitting down all day long, huh?
What do you have a camera on? What do you
You're
film?
at the post
Do
office.
not answer
Are
anything.
you a producer?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. Well,
You know that.
verify why. One, we do have
The Fifth Amendment. Remember, don't forget the Fifth Amendment of the Constitution that you swore to uphold.
We still have to verify who you are.
There's no crime.
That's-
California is not a stop and ID crime. I mean, state. Hey, is that your friend? I saw the fist bump.
I'm just being a nice guy.
Oh yeah, to them.
That's how we work in Glendale. We're nice with people.
Oh yes, she's very nice.
No,
On
you
the
mentioned
side?
you had a back problem,
Yes.
so we don't want to make sure your back is hurt. So you are being detained, but you're standing up right now.
Well, if I sit down, it's gonna ache.
That's when we're very.
It's gonna ache. But I didn't ask. You didn't know that I have a backpack.
You just told us. That's why I'm saying.
Yeah.
We're very
Yeah. If I sit down.
I know.
Oh, I see your game. I see your game. I got your game now.
But you are being detained. We
I
don't
got
have to
your
leave
game.
right now until the other officer is done conducting their investigation.
Oh my goodness gracious! You guys are hilarious today. Batch number?
29229.
Number? I mean name?
Officer Hanau. Our names are on our uniform too, in case you need that information.
Yeah, but people have to say it themselves at the request.
Obligated to? We're not obligated.
Oh, well, then I thought you were polite people here. I guess not.
That's what I'm saying. In case you need it, it's on our uniform.
Oh, in case you need it. I love the tone of your voice.
I appreciate that. I really work hard on that. Make sure that everything is lower, the temperature. I know that you said you had a back, so we're not here to make any major issues, but the officer that you were speaking to, she is investigating.
She was really convinced. Whatever she said, whatever she heard, that's exactly what happened. Crazy.
Are you willing to
No,
share
what-
your side of the story?
I'm sorry?
Are you willing to share your side of the story?
If it's gonna get twisted,
No, you're
is it gonna? Yeah, I am recording.
for your camera. Can you share your side?
I am recording. So you got hired yesterday
Sure.
or today?
Sure.
You're not here to serve the people, are you?
That's what I'm doing right now, right? Got a call for service. I'm serving the people.
Who are you serving? Where's the person that called you?
That's what we're investigating.
That's what basically because you don't know that, right? You don't have one.
I mean, you didn't let her do her job.
We're basically because you don't know that, right? You don't have one.
I mean, you didn't let her do her job. I think I asked you already. Do you have a name? No. Do you have a name?
No, I don't say that.
You don't say your name.
Yeah.
Why do you need a name?
Are you? Just so we can know who we're talking to.
No, you don't have to. I don't have to know your first name.
Rick?
Yeah.
Okay, that's reasonable. All right, Rick. Officer Foy, she just did an investigation. She's gonna come out. She's gonna talk to you, and I don't know what your name. I'll call you Cameraman. Is that okay? I'm not
Sure, that does make sense.
Cameraman 2.
If you
Okay, so
want.
Cameraman 2 and Rick, both of you guys were here at the post office. Officer Foy did an investigation. She's really want to get your side of the story. Do you want to provide your statement?
Depends what her conclusion is, right?
No. Do you want to
Depends
provide
what the other people said.
You're just depending on what other people. Do you want
Yeah.
to provide your statement, Rick?
Because in my
Yeah,
opinion, there's no
yeah,
reason to this
I
detainment.
were here and they,
You're some aggressive people.
yeah, they left the scene because I was filming. That's why.
Were you harmed at all?
No, they approached me. I don't know what their intention are too. That's all.
You don't know?
No.
Okay. Because there's cameras inside. Like you're recording, I'm recording. I
Yeah.
just want to know.
What did the camera show?
All right, so you're going to be under arrest for using pepper spray.
Cameraman ID. No. One last chance. You have an ID for us?
But where's the crime? Have I committed any crime?
Have you committed a crime?
Uh-huh.
No.
Okay, so what's the
I
need
just
of?
want to know who you are. You
It's
took
not.
some
It's not.
property from someone who did commit a crime.
Well, on his choice. I gave it back. I gave it back to him. He gave it back to me.
Thank you, cameraman.
From the very beginning, the officers made it clear they were responding to a report that 2 individuals had threatened someone with pepper spray. Legally, however, the report itself only justified initiating an investigation. It did not automatically make the allegation true. Before taking any action that restricts a person's liberty, officers still have a duty to verify the information they receive. Notably, when the cameraman declined to answer questions and invoked his Fifth Amendment right, the officer's approach hardly changed. As a matter of law, a citizen's decision to remain silent cannot, by itself, be treated as a factor that increases suspicion, because the right against self-incrimination is a constitutional protection. In situations like this, the focus of the investigation should remain on objective evidence, such as witness statements, surveillance footage, or other observable facts, rather than expecting a suspect's cooperation to substitute for a legal basis for further action. This video comes from the Sidewalks 22 channel. If you support his work, leave a 5 in the comments.
2572. Nothing much, buddy. See you later. Hey. No. Don't want to hear it, dude.
Hey, come here for 1 second.
No. Off.
Can't be taking pictures over here. All right.
Look at that.
Keep walking.
Hey, Eric, why don't you go straight?
I mean, keep walking. You keep walking. Why don't you get the out of the road?
I can be in the road.
Look at you're one way.
Yep.
Illegally parked. Wow.
What did you
What's your name and badge number?
We don't have badge numbers.
Sager?
Sager.
What's your ID number?
We don't have ID numbers.
You don't have an ID or badge number?
No.
You're dismissed, buddy. See you later.
Blackmail.
Look at this, guys. Can't even park correctly, right in the middle of the road. Unbelievable. What's your name, badge number?
Officer Purrington, sir.
What is it?
Officer Purrington.
Purrington?
South Portland Police.
You have an ID number?
I don't have ID.
You have a badge number? No?
Officer Purrington, if you've got an issue, you can
Yeah, he's right there.
Have a good day.
I'm your supervisor, remember that.
No, she's working.
No. You work for us, buddy, remember that. You too. Yeah, would you raise your hand to the left oath, right? Left hand?
Left hand?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you did.
No.
Yeah, you did.
All right, have a good one.
Parked on the wrong side of the road one way.
Hey, get away from the car. Hey! Hey! The car.
What are you gonna do?
Away from the car.
Don't at me like that
telling you to
again.
get away from the
no,
car.
do something
You're not
then.
gonna talk to me
Do
like that.
something. Who the think you are?
I'm the police.
Oh,
You
really?
fucking do what
Yeah,
we say.
I'm your boss. You do what I say.
I don't think so.
Until I break the law, buddy.
I don't think
What's your
so.
name, asshole? Young? Yeah,
You're not
you're
allowed
acting
to
like
get,
it.
Get close to this car, man.
Step
away from Stay back.
No.
Step away from the car.
No, don't touch me either.
Step away from the car.
No.
Go. You can take pictures away.
Nope,
from
I'll take whatever I want to see in public, buddy.
Okay.
Yeah, it is okay.
Yeah. Just
You ain't gonna do about it.
Okay.
Yeah, why don't you park in the right direction next time?
Dan, just stay right there. I got you.
Yeah, stay right there. Puritan. Look at that, I'm getting the computer screen too. Am I being detained? Young?
No, you're free to go, man.
Yeah, you too. Remember what side your taser's on too, buddy.
Oh, I know exactly
Yeah.
where it is.
Yeah, I know. You know what's happening in this country now with you guys, right? Being held accountable. Guy in Minneapolis looking at about what, 50 years?
I had nothing to do with that. I don't live in Minneapolis. Actually, you guys might.
I'm sure. The way you came at me, buddy, you better calm down. Use that de-escalation training, buddy. Yeah, uh-huh.
You have a great day.
Yeah, you too, buddy. You're wasting your time right now, I'll tell you that.
You have a wonderful day. Get away from the car, my friend.
No.
Hey, get away from my car.
You.
Get away from
Sager.
my car. It's Sager.
Whatever. You're a piece of
Thank you.
You, I still looked at the car, didn't I? What are you gonna do? You're gonna arrest me for looking at the car?
Get away from the car.
You, do something. Do something, tough guy. What do you think? You think you're intimidating me, buddy? You think you're intimidating me?
Oh my.
You think, yeah, oh my God, my ass. You hate rights, don't you, asshole? Yeah.
Get out of the street.
You. Why don't you park the right direction? Maybe I'll take advance of it.
I did.
See you later, you're dismissed.
Have a wonderful rest of your day.
Bye, young. You too, buddy. Hey, I'm near your car still. Hey, guess what? I'm in your car, buddy. What are you gonna do? Yeah, roll it up, you're dismissed. See you later. Wrong side of the road. Almost causing an accident. 3 units for a First Amendment protected activity. Look at this. Look at this. Bye, Portland. See you later, young. Hey, take that with you, buddy.
From the outset, the officers were dispatched only because the National Guard reported a man walking around the area, taking photographs, and declining to answer questions. Notably, the radio traffic also confirmed that he was unarmed and had displayed no threatening behavior, indicating that the purpose of the response was simply to check on the situation rather than investigate a crime. Even so, the officers reacted aggressively when the cameraman approached the patrol vehicle to record. In the end, they lacked a sufficient legal basis to detain or arrest him. That is why many First Amendment audits go beyond the right to record. They also examine whether law enforcement officers exercise their authority within constitutional limits when their actions are subject to public scrutiny.
Hey, good morning. I can't hear you. I'm hard of hearing.
You cannot do that here.
The
police will come and will.
God put it in my heart to do it here, so I intend to do so. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, I'm just telling you because
Okay.
I don't want to send the officer to you.
What is your name?
Fernanda.
I'm sorry?
Fernanda.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right, have a blessed day.
Okay. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Good.
Hi, I'm Officer Carullo. I work with our community resource unit,
Hi, I'm Jeff.
and we can't have you doing this in here, but we do help the homeless. That's what we do.
Okay, before you go any further, I'm going to put you on notice that this is a constitutionally protected activity on a traditional public forum. And any attempt to remove me or have me leave this property would be a violation of my civil rights. Okay?
Okay, that's fine,
Okay.
but this is the government building, and they really don't.
This is the
want
steps of,
here.
this is the entrance of the steps of City Hall. This is
That's-
H.
Okay, can I finish?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, that's all fine and good,
Mhm.
but what we're trying to do is to help you so you don't have to do that.
I don't need any help.
Well, then how?
I can be here.
You
This
don't
is
need help.
Officer.
Okay. You could argue it all you
All right.
want, and you can fight it in court, but you're gonna end up going to jail. I'm trying to help you out. So
I
you
end
don't
up
go
going to jail for what?
Now listen, for trespassing.
For trespassing.
Okay, they're gonna trespass
You're
you
gonna-
from here. Understand me? You listen me out.
Okay, I'll
I'm not
listen
trying
you
to be
out, and
hard
when
with
I'm done, you
Okay,
listen me out.
I will listen.
Okay.
I'm not trying to be hard. If you go back and forth with it, you're gonna go to jail, right?
Okay.
Explain to you. Then you're going from a judge,
Okay.
and you can argue your point, but you're gonna take that right. So you let me know what you
I'm
want
gonna
to do.
take that right.
Okay.
All right.
You
So let me
what
know
you
when
want.
I'm trespassed.
Go ahead.
I am engaged in a constitutionally protected activity. I am
Okay.
not homeless. I am not panhandling. This is freedom of speech, freedom of religion on a traditional public forum. And you're
So
going to
you're saying you're not homeless.
You're going to trespass me
But
from
it
this
says
property.
homeless on your ad.
Whatever.
But no, it's
even
not
if I am
whatever. It's either one or the
panhandling,
other. Either you're homeless or you're not homeless.
even if I am panhandling, it's a constitutionally protected right. So either way, if you trespass me from here or you arrest me, it's a violation of my civil rights. So what's
That's
so you guys have got listen up. Listen to what
you don't understand.
listen to what I'm saying. You've got one of two
I
choices.
already told you your thing. All right.
You've got one of two choices. You can respect my civil rights, or you can violate my civil rights, and I can strip you all of your qualified immunity.
Don't entertain this.
Am I trespassed?
Listen, don't entertain it. You know what I mean? We told you.
Detain me for what? If you're trespassing me, I'll leave.
Yes, we're going to trespass you from here.
All right, I'm leaving. Congratulations. I want all y'all's names and badge numbers real quick. Name and badge number. Name and badge number.
Sergeant Zamora, badge number 64.
Your name again?
Carullo,
Carullo.
0186.
Excuse me. What's his badge number that just walked up?
He's under me.
He's under you. What's his name?
Yeah, Davis.
Davis. So
let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
What is there that we can help you out with today? Or
I am
what
not
is-
asking for any
Okay,
help. I
what
don't
is
need
your
any help.
What is your purpose today?
I would like to stand right here
Okay.
and exercise my right to freedom of speech,
Okay.
freedom of religion,
Okay.
and freedom of assembly on this is what is called a traditional public forum. This is a public sidewalk in front of City Hall.
Actually, it's not. No, listen, it's not. A public sidewalk is considered the sidewalk. This is actually you're in the government center at this point, under the office.
Have you ever heard of the
government
steps of City Hall? Have you ever heard of the steps of City Hall?
center. Of course I have.
Okay.
Let me ask you a question.
The steps of City Hall is a
Let me ask
traditional
you a
public
question.
forum.
You're a
Yes.
constitutionalist, right?
Yes.
You believe in the Constitution.
I believe in the
You
Constitution.
believe in the freedom of speech, right?
Yes.
As do we all.
Uh-huh.
All right? My point is this. Like everything else, it's like going into, how do I put this? Not everything is absolute. And there's Supreme Court case law on this stuff.
There is Supreme Court case law.
for
This is the
example-
steps of City Hall.
Like, for example, it's like when you're in a public park, right?
Yeah.
A public park is a free place. You can do whatever you want within the scope of the rules of the public park.
Absolutely.
Okay? So if you're here to do a demonstration, which is what you're telling me you're doing a demonstration.
Either way, doesn't matter.
Then there's permits to be get, the whole 9 yards.
Okay.
Any lawful assembly or anything that falls into that realm, you're required by law to get permits for it, correct?
Can I stay and do my thing or not?
Well, do you want to get permits for it?
I'm not getting any permits.
Are you doing a demonstration?
It's illegal to
No.
cause me to get permits. What can I stay?
Are you making a statement or a demonstration?
Am I being trespassed?
I already told you that.
What's going on? Am I being trespassed or not?
Yes, I told you that.
Bye bye. Good luck, guys. I'll see y'all in court later.
Okay.
When I file the civil rights lawsuit, I'll see all y'all in court. I try to tell you.
Like I said,
I try to tell you.
The man repeatedly asked the officer to clarify whether he was actually being ordered to leave. Instead of identifying a specific rule or legal basis for restricting his activity, however, the officer emphasized that he could be arrested for trespassing if he refused to comply. The fact that a property is government-owned does not automatically mean every part of it may prohibit constitutionally protected expressive activity. To justify such a restriction, officers must establish either that the area is not a public forum or that the restriction satisfies the applicable constitutional standards. For that reason, simply invoking the possibility of a trespassing charge without explaining the specific legal basis is unlikely, by itself, to resolve the underlying constitutional dispute.
How you doing? How's it going? I'm sure you guys know why we probably came out here to talk to you. No? Okay. You're just freaking them out because they're filming. We understand that you could be here and you're on public property. The guards called us because they probably don't understand. Okay? But they wanted us to come talk to you. As long as you guys stay on the public access on the sidewalk and not on the private property. I understand you guys can do this, okay? But they're just concerned. They have people driving in and out for security reasons, that they're being filmed and their cars and stuff like that. So as long as you're out here on the public street and don't go on the private property, not much of an issue. But you guys have any questions?
Why are they taking pictures of everybody? It's creeping everybody out that lives here.
I know.
Why are you gonna take me? It's fine. I'm just gonna talk to you over here. I just got calls from my family that lives here. They're all pissed off. Creepy, dude.
You guys have any questions? No, you don't want to talk? No, you just want video? Okay. All right. Well, just make sure you're on the public sidewalk and you're not blocking these people coming in and out of the driveway. Stay up the private property, okay?
Can I just ask you guys what you're doing? I'm just asking a question. Is it for something? You're just filming it?
All right. Have a good day. they can stand up there. Anybody out in public don't like it. Driving down the street, somebody can film it. You may not like it, but you're out in public. Don't they have to sign a waiver? No, you're out in public.
Can I just ask you guys what you're doing? I'm just asking a question. Is it for something? You're just filming it?
Alright, have a good day.
Once the officers determined there was no legal basis for further intervention, their role was essentially limited to explaining the boundary between public property and private property, rather than continuing to treat the filming as a matter requiring police action. A citizen's complaint or another person's concern does not automatically transform lawful conduct into suspicious activity. If officers find no evidence of a crime or any objective indication of a real threat, the encounter should end there. That approach addresses the caller's concerns while ensuring that a citizen's constitutional rights are not narrowed by requests that lack a valid legal basis. We conducted this video to provide practical knowledge that supports peaceful and lawful self-protection, and we do not advocate any form of confrontation.
Where's the crime?
You guys were brandishing and threatening people with pepper
Were you
spray.
here?
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
Supreme Court case law on this.
There is Supreme Court case law. This is the steps of City Hall.
Last but certainly not least, I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to the behind-the-scenes team who worked for months on these videos to make them possible.